Hey everyone, how you doing today? I believe that everything is perfect. So today I've got for you new vocabulary for you to learn, or it's a noun for you to learn. And once you will learn this, you must have added something new in your conversation while you're talking with someone else. So I'm having its alibi, okay? So when someone is having alibi or when someone is telling you alibi, it means they are just telling you an excuse, okay, the false reasons and the reasons as well, okay. We will be just understanding this through the lots of examples so that we won't have any kind of difficulty in understanding this. So what you have to do is, guys, you have to just assume in this situation, okay. So let's get started. Let's just say, for example, you are two sisters, okay, and now your mother is about to go to the work, and but before going to the work, she is saying to you, "Hey, daughters, now I'm just telling you the work to be done. And the work is you have to just clean all the utensils and all the home, okay? And I'll be coming in the evening by completing my work or from the office." So she has said all the things to you what you have to do, guys, to the daughters, and now she is going from the home and she has gone, by the way. And you can say the time, you can say that evening has come. Now she has come from the home, as she has come from the office as well, from the work as well. And now she's seeing, you can say, everywhere there's a, the utensil were not cleaned, and the home was not cleaned. There's a dirt everywhere. Now she's saying to the daughters, "Hey, why did you not clean the utensils and the home? It's in the same state, it's in the same position." So the daughters are saying, "Mom, I was just, you can say, I kept on reading all day long, and see, my sister, she was, you can say, went out for important work." She's saying, the mother is saying right now that, "Do not give me alibi, right? Do not give me an excuse. Do not give me the false reason of not doing the work. You must have done it. What I will do from now onwards, I will not be giving you 550 rupees on daily basis that I give for you to just enjoy all day long." Okay, so what you can do is you can understand from this, and let me just give you, you can say, second examples. All right, let's just say, uh, you are a person, okay, and there is a party at your home tonight. Or let's just say there was a party yesterday, and yesterday's night, and you invited to your friend that, you can say, in the morning, yesterday's morning, you just invited them. "Hey guys, what you have to do is you have to come in the party, okay, and because there is a ceremony of my brother, or there is a ring ceremony of my brother, you have to come." All right, and then you can say there was a friend of yours, he did not come in the party, he did not come. So today you will meet him definitely, and if he meets you on your way to anything, then you will definitely ask, "Hey man, why did you not come in the party last night?" So he will give you an alibi, he will give you the false reason, he will give you the explanation of not coming in the party. Maybe it can be a right, maybe it can be a wrong. So he will say that, "Okay man, I was suffering from something, like there was headache a lot, and I was just, I was just feeling, you can say, cold and all, I did not come, that's why." So you can understand this, okay, and but you can think in your mind, "Man, he's giving an alibi, he is giving an excuse, he is giving a false explanation to me. So in this way guys you can use. All right, so I hope that this video will make you learn something, and if it makes you learn something, then it's worth of watching. Bye, take care.